In this video, I am going to show you how to add the data analysis tool in Excel on a PC. When you click Data, you would like to have a data analysis tool here on the right so that you can do more advanced data analysis. So start by clicking File, go down to Options. On the Excel Options page, click on Add-ins. At the bottom where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go. Now you will check the box next to Analysis Tool Pack and click OK. Now when you click Data, you should see the Data Analysis Tool Pack here on the far right. So when you click on it, you will see a list of tools that you can now use for data analysis.